So today is 31st December 2021. So Ram, Priyanka and me decided to trek to Kenjalgad. We have already started with the trekking. This is a very narrow path through dense forest. The trek starts immediately via a small path just beside the school. So it is almost 20 minutes now that we are walking, and we have almost reached the top.
Kenjalgad has a height of 4,269 feet, which is counted as one of the tallest forts in Satara district. This fort is said to have been built by Bhoj Rajas of Panhala in the 12th century. Kenjalgad was won by Adil Shah of Bijapur in 1648. Kenjalgad is a very small-sized plateau. The main entrance was ruined while the fort was dismantled by the Britishers. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had captured all the forts in Vai and Bhor region, but he was not able to win this fort until 1674. He captured this fort during a military campaign at Chiprun, along with his soldiers who marched to Kenjalgad and captured the fort by surprise on 24th April 1674. On walking little further, you come across a cave which is home to a large number of black spiders and bats. Kenjalgad is one of the few forts whose steps have been carved out of the rock. There are a total of 55 steps at the top of the hill.
So straight ahead down ways we started our trek, and through this dense forest we climbed upwards. There is a small temple, and just beside that there is a school. So from there we started our trek. This is a water body where people would use this water for their daily needs like drinking, washing, etc. Mostly used as water reservoir for drinking needs.
In 1701, this fort was captured by Aurangzeb, and in the subsequent year, in 1702, it was captured by Maratha army infantry leader Pidaji Gole. The top of this black mountain and the surrounding areas is covered with strong bushes and grass. So you have to wander through the bushes to explore the fort.
This is the only construction which is there on Kenjalgad. Doesn't have a roof though. It is fallen over time, but only construction that is left now. This was used to churn the tuna during those times for building and construction purpose. This is called as चुन्याचा घाणा. You can find this on almost every fort, because carrying that material right up the fort was difficult. So they would manufacture it on the fort itself. Huge. So this is that coal which connects Raireshwar to Kenjalgad.
After the fall of the Peshwas, this fort was captured by Britishers on 26 March 1818, and they destroyed all the structures on the fort like the entrance, temple, water tanks, kacheri or the sadar.